Hello and welcome to PropertyTaxList.com. The following video will act as a tutorial to guide you through the website and its various features. Now, to begin with, there are certain pages on the website that are password protected. Those pages include the auction calendar, the training center, the OTC list, the Internet Auctions tab, and the coaching center. Now, when you click on any of these pages, you'll be prompted to enter a username and password. Your username will be the email address that we use to correspond with you, and the password should be one that is set up beforehand and emailed to you directly. So you should have an email from us that tells you what your username and your password is, which will allow you to log into the site. Now, once you log into the site, let me show you how to use a few of the features. First of all, the auction calendar. The auction calendar is fairly simple. It's a calendar of auction dates that are coming up over the next 30 to 60 days. Now, each one of the locations you see listed here is also a link to the corresponding list. So if you'd like to download any of the lists, all you need to do is simply click on one of the links here, and it will take you to this link here, which will take you to a Files Anywhere site, which is basically where we store all of the lists. So by clicking on that, you can download any of the lists. You can see all the lists here. This is for the state of Florida, all the lists that are located here, which are very many. Now, you can also click on the training center here. The training center is where we store all the archived training tutorials from our past webinars. So every week, every Monday at 6 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, we conduct a weekly webinar. That webinar will be on many different topics. It changes week to week. It's always live, and it's always recorded. So we post those. There are over 50 hours of recorded training tutorials here for you to review. When you go to click on any of these, if you'd like to watch them, you simply need to click on the date and then choose the playback option. The playback option will enable you to play back the video without actually downloading it, because most videos are quite long and are large files. So the easiest way is to play back the file. Now, moving on, we have the OTC list. This stands for over-the-counter list. As you get more into your training, you'll understand exactly what over-the-counter tax liens and over-the-counter tax deeds are. The over-the-counter lists are separated according to state. So you can see the states are listed here in alphabetical order, starting with Alaska. As we move down the list, we go through the tax deeds to the over-the-counter tax liens, which begin here. The over-the-counter tax liens are followed by the over-the-counter redemption deeds, which are here at the very end. Again, with any of these, the states are all grouped together. All counties within a state are found within the same file. So if you click on any of these, if you'd like to look up any of the counties within the state of Alabama, you can click on this link right here and it will take you to that page. The last tab we'll look at here is the Internet Auction tab. The Internet Auction tab is a new tab that we've added, and this is to help you with some of the new Internet auctions that are taking place in different states across the country. We're seeing Internet auctions more and more commonly now, and they are being used by entire states now. So you'll see there are some states, states like Colorado, California, Florida. These are all states that are very common to have online auctions with. So if you click on any of these, it will take you to the online auction site that the state has set up with the third party hosting company that's conducting the auction. So if you click on one of these, it will simply take you to the site where the online auction will be conducted. This will give you directions for how to register for the auction and how to participate. This concludes the tutorial here for the video. If you have any more questions about how to use the website, please contact us on the hotline at 866-243-8877. So again, the hotline number is 866-243-8877.